Hello friends, this video is very special for all of us as it is on hair. We all want beautiful, lovely, shiny and thick hair. In this video, I am sharing a color treatment and also a very effective mask for the healthy growth of the hair. Normally, there is thinning of the hair on the top of the head and on the sides. What are the reasons for thinning of the hair? We have to look into that. There is a lot of problem of hair fall also. There are many causes of the hair fall. It can be due to the strong shampoos one is using. It can be due to the hair colors and the treatment, which is very common and people love to go for hair colors, but it gradually harms the hair. It can be due to the hormonal disbalance. If you are not having normal periods, due to hormonal changes, you can have lot of hair fall. It can also be the side effect of some medication one has been taking. It can be due to the radiation therapies. It can also be due to the nutrition problem, the blood circulation in the skin. It can be also due to the deficiency of hemoglobin, vitamin D, B complex. All these things should be checked. Friends, I am sharing the Sujok treatment for the hair fall. Please share your experience after you apply this treatment. Do share my videos with your near and dear ones. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Smile thanks, Life Designer Tananpreet Kaur. These are the 4 lobes of our head area. So you can select which area you have the hair loss. In this figure, the scalp areas are indicated in color. The area of the frontal lobe is green. The area of the parietal lobe is red. The temporal lobe is blue. The occipital area in grey. And the cerebellum is brown. As you can imagine, this is not for color therapy. I have just indicated the colors of your scalp area. You can select the area where you are having the hair loss. For example, if you are having hair loss on the temporal area, then you should find out the painful point on the area which is showing the temporal area, and you can apply fenugreek seeds or sesame seeds on that area. Even ginger paste can be applied on that area. I am also sharing the color treatment on the meridians by TCM. According to Chinese traditional acupuncture, liver and kidney are responsible for the hair loss. If you want to apply color therapy, then the color is chosen depending on the goal for the beginning of regeneration. Green is for improving blood circulation, red for improving the nutrition and the flow of life juices. The color is yellow. Friends, when you select the correspondence on the hand according to Sujok, You are also reaching to the reason for which you are having the hair fall. So, this treatment can be really very effective. Do try this and share your experience. Friends, now I am sharing a healthy mask which you can apply directly on your scalp. One can apply ginger mask directly on the head. It improves circulation of the scalp, activates the growth cells, nourishes the hair, makes the hair shiny. In addition, ginger is very rich in useful substances, vitamin B1, B2, A, C, magnesium, salts, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, zinc, and potassium. You can wash your hair after 30 minutes of the application of the ginger mask.